Lesson 5. Live in accordance with nature. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, urged us to align with the natural order of the world. Accepting our role in the grand tapestry of life brings harmony and self-assurance. Understand that everything happens for a reason, within the vast interconnectedness of the cosmos. This perspective nurtures a deep-seated confidence, knowing we are an integral part of something greater. Lesson 6. Embrace discomfort for growth. Epictetus reminded us that difficulty shows what men are. True growth emerges from our willingness to face discomfort. By stepping beyond our comfort zones, we discover hidden strengths and capabilities. Each challenge conquered fortifies our confidence, proving that we are more resilient than we ever imagined. Lesson 7. Reflect and journal. Daily self-reflection is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Marcus Aurelius maintained a journal to examine his thoughts and actions. This practice of daily reflection fosters self-awareness and growth. Write down your experiences, fears, and aspirations. Through this introspective journey, you will cultivate a profound sense of self, grounded in confidence and wisdom. In the silence of your own mind, these 7 lessons resonate with an ancient truth. They are the keys to unlocking a life of confidence, unshaken by the storms of insecurity. As we integrate these Stoic principles into our daily lives, we forge a path to inner strength and profound transformation. We are not alone on this journey. We walk alongside the great Stoic philosophers, guided by their timeless wisdom. Let their teachings inspire and empower you. Embrace the impermanence of life. Focus on what you can control. Cultivate inner virtue and prepare for adversity. Live in harmony with nature. Embrace discomfort for growth and reflect deeply. Together we can transform our lives, one Stoic lesson at a time. If this journey has resonated with you, join our community at zensagemind. Like, comment, and subscribe to continue exploring the depths of ancient wisdom. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let us grow together, becoming the masters of our fate, the architects of our destiny. Until next time, seek the wisdom of the ancients and let your inner light shine. Welcome, seekers of truth and wisdom, to zensagemind. Today we embark on a journey through the corridors of ancient philosophy, guided by the Stoic sages who have illuminated the path to inner strength and unshakable confidence. We delve into 7 timeless lessons that will transform insecurity into a fortress of self-assurance. Prepare to awaken the dormant potential within you as we explore the profound teachings of Stoicism. Lesson 1. Embrace the impermanence of life. In the words of the great philosopher Epictetus, it's not what happens to you but how you react to it that matters. Life's uncertainties are inevitable, yet our response defines us. Recognize that everything around us is transient. This understanding dissolves the grip of fear and anxiety. When we accept impermanence, we become liberated, finding confidence in our ability to navigate the ebb and flow of existence. Lesson 2. Focus on what you can control. Marcus Aurelius, the revered Roman emperor, taught us to distinguish between what we can and cannot control. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Channel your energy into actions and thoughts within your control." This shift in focus grounds you, providing clarity and confidence in the face of external chaos. Lesson 3. Cultivate inner virtue. Stoic philosophy places immense value on virtue as the foundation of a fulfilled life. Seneca, a luminary of Stoicism, emphasized that we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. By nurturing virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, we build a resilient character. These virtues become our inner compass, guiding us through life's trials with unwavering confidence. Lesson 4. Practice negative visualization. Prepare for adversity by contemplating potential challenges. This technique, known as premeditatio malorum, was advocated by Stoics to fortify the mind. By envisioning difficulties, we reduce their impact, fostering resilience. Seneca advised, "He who is brave is free." Embrace this practice to transform fear into a catalyst for confidence and preparedness.